We're going to explain how to send emails using cURL. cURL, while primarily known for fetching data from websites, can also be used to send emails, though it's not its primary function and often requires a mail server that supports SMTP submission. This method is generally less convenient than using a dedicated email library in languages like Python or PHP, but it can be useful in specific situations, especially in scripting or command line environments. Here's how you can do it. 1. Understanding SMTP. The first thing to understand is SMTP, or Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. This is the protocol email servers use to communicate with each other to send emails. You'll need the SMTP server address, like smtp@gmail.com for Gmail or a similar address provided by your email provider, port number, often 587 or 465, and potentially encryption settings, TLS or SSL. 2. Authentication. Most email providers require authentication to prevent unauthorized email sending. This means you'll need your email address and password, or an application-specific password, which is recommended for security. Using your regular password directly is a security risk. 3. The cURL command. The core of the process involves crafting a cURL command. This command will specify the SMTP server, port, encryption, authentication details, and the email message itself. A basic command might look something like this. Replace placeholders with your actual details. cURL, URL, SMTP, smtp.example.com 587. User, your email at example.com, your password. Mail from, your email at example.com. Mail to recipient at example.com. Send from your email at example.com. Upload file email body.txt. The Want to Upload file option points to a text file containing your email's body. This file usually contains the subject and message content in a format understood by the SMTP server. For example, this file could contain something like subject test email and amasun. This is a test email sent using cURL. Note, the your password part above should typically be replaced with an app-specific password for enhanced security. 4. Headers. You can add more headers to customize your email. For instance, you might add a content type header to specify the format of your email body, e.g., plain text or HTML. cURL allows you to specify headers using the AH option. For example, H content type, text plain. 5. Security considerations. Never hardcode your actual email password directly into your cURL command, especially if you're sharing the script. Use environment variables or a secure method to store your credentials. Always prefer using application-specific passwords provided by your email provider. Also be aware that sending too many emails in a short period might trigger spam filters or get your account flagged. 6. Testing and error handling. Before using this method for mass emailing, thoroughly test it with a small number of recipients to ensure everything works correctly. Add proper error handling to your script, if using a scripting language alongside cURL, to catch and handle potential issues like connection failures or authentication errors. You should also check your email provider's policies regarding using third-party applications to send emails. Remember to always replace the placeholder values with your actual SMTP server details, email address, password or app password, recipient email address, and email content. Using cURL for email sending requires careful configuration and attention to security best practices.